What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the last tutorial video I had chapters to it. If you want to see it, just go to the last tutorial video I did. And yeah, so today I will be teaching you how to make how to add chapters in your video. So first of all, you need to go to the description that you want to add chapters to. So I'm just gonna use this one and just add chapters. Like that. And make sure you need to do this because this is a very important step. So first you need to start on with a zero, like a zero timestamp, and make sure to add a space because that is important. If you don't add a space, it will actually won't work. Add that, save that, and just add the name of the chapter you want to name it. So I'm just gonna say intro. So after that, you need to put on another tab like so, and go to your video that you want to add chapters to. Make sure it's the same video, or you got fail by that. So let's find the step one. So yeah, there's step one, and you need to copy the timestamp. Sorry, 1 minute and 40, like in whatever timestamp you want. So I'm just gonna choose 1 minute and 40 seconds because that's the step one. 1 minute and 40 seconds, and then add the name of that chapter. You know the drill. So step one. No. Now let's find the step two. So this is step two. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Step two, and step three. Let's find step three. So there's no step three. So I'm just gonna call this timestamp to 37. Do 37 to 37, and I'm just gonna say discovered, and discovered, and call this enjoy. And now after that, do like this one. I'm just gonna call this an outro. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. 25 seconds. Oh. And after that, you need to press save. And there you have it, guys. Now you can exit this tab right there and refresh this. Refreshy. see, see, it added it. So this is the intro. Oh, that's a long intro. Now there's step 1, step 2, discover and enjoy an outro. So if you like this video, guys, make sure to leave a like and yeah, subscribe. Anyways, thank you for watching and love you guys. Peace out.